Okay, back to where we were prior to service. The techs will have this hot to your home, so it will be hot and ready. You got your blue, orange, green, brown. The first module, if you are a bonded customer, which I'm not going to get into that deep, but if you're a bonded customer, you need a second module, and you're going to do the exact same thing on the second mod as you would the first. But if you're just a single line customer, you take your blue, white, and you will go to these bottom lugs, the red and the green. The yellow and black lugs you will not use at all. Then you simply just take your wire, get a couple inches of it, straighten it out, take your snips, strip them. Then you got your red and your green. Let's take this out here, and then you'll hook that there. And that's your ring side, goes to your red, blue goes to red. And this is your white. It's light blue, but it's your white. You'll take that, hook that around. Make sure you don't have any wires showing on the edges. Your white will go to your green. Tighten those down. Put this back in. And once you're done, you just simply roll this up, tuck it back in there. Put your wires in there. Try not to pinch your wires or kink them. And that's your install on the NID side, customer side.